How to create a pivot table in Excel. A pivot table is a powerful tool in Excel that allows you to summarize, analyze, and present large amounts of data quickly. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a pivot table. Step 1. Prepare your data. Ensure your data is organized in a tabular format. Each column should have a header, and there should be no blank rows or columns. Step 2. Select your data. Click anywhere in the data range that you want to analyze. You can also manually select the entire range. Step 3. Insert a pivot table. Go to the ribbon. Click on the Insert tab. Select Pivot Table. Click on the Pivot Table button. Choose Data Source. In the dialog box, Excel will automatically select the data range. You can adjust it if necessary. Choose where you want the pivot table to be placed, new worksheet or existing worksheet. Step 4. Set up the pivot table. After clicking OK, a new sheet will open, if you chose New Worksheet, with a blank pivot table and the Pivot Table Fields panel on the right. Step 5. Add fields to the pivot table. Drag and drop. You can drag fields from the list into the 4 areas. Rows. Place fields here to categorize data by rows. Columns. Place fields here to categorize data by columns. Values. Place numerical fields here to perform calculations, e.g., sum, count. Filters. Place fields here to filter the data displayed in the pivot table. Step 6. Customize your pivot table. Value field settings. Click on the drop-down arrow next to a field in the Values area to change the calculation type, e.g., sum, average. Design options. Use the Design tab to change the layout and style of your pivot table. Step 7. Refresh the pivot table. If your source data changes, right-click on the pivot table and select Refresh to update the data. Example. Suppose you have sales data with columns for product, region, sales amount, and date. You can create a pivot table to see total sales by product and region. Rows. Drag product to the rows area. Columns. Drag region to the columns area. Values. Drag sales amount to the values area to see total sales per product per region. Conclusion. Pivot tables are an excellent way to summarize and analyze data in Excel. With just a few clicks, you can transform raw data into meaningful insights. If you have any specific questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.